Hey everyone, in today's session I'm going to show you Windows Help. Windows operating system, Windows version 11, I have made the entire help commands available in PDF formats, as you can see on this nice table here. All the commands that are you could run on the command line, I made it into a PDF file. So if you're on a Windows command operating system, this is at the start menu, you could type in CMD for command and then open a command prompt. Let me just resize this one so you can see it better. If I just make this one a little bit bigger, so right here, you can type in help and you get the list of commands that are available for you. For each of the command that you type in help, let's say CMD, it will give you the command about output for the CMD. Similarly for CMD, volume, make directory, for statement, if statement, all of them. So I'm going to clear a screen here and I'm going to minimize this window and then show you the benefit of making this command line available on the web. So you could just, all you need is an internet access and a web browser, and everything is in a PDF format available for you. So you come in, visit my website, which is this URL is https://mywebuniversity.com/windows11, Windows_11, and win uppercase W, help_PDF. So this URL that I'm showing you here is just, I showed you on the PowerPoint presentation. That's the URL that you visit. And this nice table is showing you. And then for each of the command, for example, let's say you look at the echo command, it will show you in a PDF format. And I give credit to MyWebUniversity, my website, that I built this entire PDF format using Python programming language on a Windows operating system command line, and then the module that I use is free FPDF library within Python, and then I made this nice PDF for you so you can just access it. If you look for, like, example for find command, similarly you will see the syntax of the find command. And then any of these commands that you click on, whether you look at the tree command that or just more information for it, or just another command that, let's say, for example, let me just look at something that is a little bit more information. Let's say command like xcopy. If you are looking for a command, Control F, you can do like xcopy, and then you type in, that command will show up here, and then you search for it, and then you can see all the nice format of the syntax is showing. So everything is in PDF format. But you might say, Wahid, that is good. I like this one that's now is available in PDF format. All I have to do is visit a YouTube, website, and I could check the command and then get the syntax and everything and read it about it, right? So this is nice, but you might just say, well, can we just also make like these commands so I could read it loud? Yes. For example, any of the commands that you're looking for, let's say you're looking for the find command here, you looked at it, you can always on Microsoft Edge, which is a great product for the browsers and Chrome and everything, they have these features that you can read it loud, read it aloud, so you can just read them aloud by highlighting the concept and then right click, or just say Control Shift U together, and then it will just start reading for you when this is enabled, the option that is highlighted. It will just do a little bit tedious, that is not as fast as it is supposed to come. But let me just show you another thing that you could do. Highlight the smaller section and then do Control Shift U, and then
/help find
it will
searches
start
for
the whole entire thing for you.
Windows 11 help on command. Windows 11 help on command find. C / help find searches for a text string in a file or files. Find /v /c /n /it
I'm gonna pause it, but you have option to change the character. So when you read it, you can just choose whatever you want. You can also pause it or restart it with every option. So this is really nice AI kind of platform. And that's not just for this one. You can just go to any website or any other documentation and then just start reading them loud. But at the same time, I said, well, what if I just make it much easier for you so you don't have to do Control+Shift+U and other ones to enable it, and just make it available on my website that I could have the HTML kind of text as well as just a play button for you to say, read me this one aloud, the entire Windows help. So look at this one. So if I just do a refresh this screen, you see this screen comes in. Let me make it a little bit bigger so you could see the text in clear. I'm going to just let this one run by clicking this button for audio to play the audio for help. And when it reads it, it is going to start for more information from there. And I'm going to be quiet and I'm going to listen to it. It's about 6 minutes for 40-second video. So we're going to listen to it, and I will just highlight the area when it is reading it. So for information, you can come and maybe you could just enable it and just listen to it as well as watch it and understand the commands. So let's do it.
For more information on a specific command, type help command name ASSOC displays or modifies file extension associations. Attrib displays or changes file attributes. Break sets or clears extended Control+C checking. BCDEDIT sets properties in boot database to control boot loading. CACLS displays or modifies access control lists. ACLs of files. Calls one batch program from another. CD displays the name of or changes the current directory. CHCP displays or sets the.
So you get the idea. I'm gonna pause it, and I could change also the pattern or the speed and everything. There are certain things that you could just get on it with the tools that you enable based on what you have, and then you could also go to the last section of it and then start reading from somewhere else, and then just start
the active code page number. CHDIR displays the name of or changes the current directory. Chapdisk checks a disk and displays a status report.
So this,
CHKNTF.
it is reading from where it was left off, but you can have control over here. So I'm going to just click right here at the end of it, so we don't have to listen to all of it, but you are welcome to just listen at the end of it sometimes and just start.
Displays the directory structure of a drive or path. Type displays the contents of a text file. Ver displays the Windows version. Verify tells Windows whether to verify that your files are written correctly. To a disk. Volume displays a disk volume label and serial number. XCOPY copies files and directory trees. WMIC displays WMI information inside interactive command shell. For more information on tools, see the command line reference in the online help.
So I didn't play the whole thing just not to bore you, but you get the idea. So I don't want to make the video too big, but you understand where to go, and then we'll listen to it. And I hope you're gonna just go to my website and my YouTube channel also to just subscribe. So let's say I'm gonna go to my website. This is my website, and there's a lot of stuff there for everything for Linux, Unix, Windows. But at the same time, you could also go to YouTube at MyWebUniversity, and this one is our YouTube channel. And that if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I really appreciate your subscription and making comments. And thank you for watching. Hope you have fun. Take care. Bye bye.